everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got this Jaguar XJ6 by Matchbox. There are a few interesting things about this casting. First of all, it's a casting from 1999. Secondly, it's a Matchbox, which is made in China. Third, the Jaguar, back when this casting was done, was owned by Ford. You can see there, Ford Motor Company. And also, it has got a Union flag on it. So, let's open it up and see what else is there. So here is the Jaguar XJ6 out of its box. Very first thing you will notice is this Union Jack flag on the blue car. Second, you will notice these wheels. You don't see these on Matchbox anymore. Very different looking wheels, entire setup. And you do get suspension on these, which you don't see on Matchbox anymore. Third, well, it does have a chrome grille, but headlamps are not detailed. You do get a black bumper. It does have mirrors on both the sides, which is good. The paint, well, it's a casting which is almost, how many years old? 25 years old. Well, that's been a long time, huh? So you can see there's some edges of paint which are kind of wearing, even though it was in box, or maybe it had the issue with the starting. But it's a typical Jack's right-hand drive, not the left-hand drive. So the driver is on the other side. You do get this tail lamp, which is not detailed. Black bumper in the back too. And this is here, you can see the interior, which is finished in grey. Kind of looks nice. You can see the mirror inside too. I think this is where the fuel filler is, right there. Looks like a shape for the sunroof. I'm not sure if it had a sunroof back then, but it's an older casting of an older car. It does look good, looks really nice, minus the details obviously, but I like the wheels, I like the wheel tire combo, I like that it has suspension. And this is how it looks from the bottom. As you can see, Matchbox Jaguar XJ6 says Matchbox International Limited, made in China, which I didn't know Matchbox did. 1991, 1/64. And I see it has got a lot of details in the bottom too. So, what do you think about this casting? Let me know. Well, that's all from today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.